Okay, so this is for my Lab 6, the fun with registers. I'm doing the pass off right here. And so I start that I have programmed that the clear is the first switch and the increment is the second switch. So the first thing we can see is that if I turn on the clear and then I hit the button, which is the clock, we can see it shows that the next value is 0. But if I add 1, it shows that the next value is actually 1. And then as I press 1, it'll keep adding. So the first 4 lights represent what's coming out of the data, like coming out of the flip-flop. And the next 4 lights right here represents coming out of the mux. And so whatever is on this side, the last 4, if I press the button, it will load it onto the flip-flop and put it on the second. So as I keep pressing up, it'll count up. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and you just saw it skip there. 5, 6, or I think we skipped a bit. It's right now. And the very last thing, so now it says that it's going to go back to 0. And it goes back to 0. And then now the next one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then if I wanted to set it so that Q is equal to 0 without having to increment it 15 times, what I can do is I can turn off the increment and turn on the clear, and then it shows that the next one will be 0 and that this one will be 0 when I hit the button. And I've been messing with this around. I haven't had it skip very much, but the reason why it might skip is because we're using the clock as a button, and the button itself has some issues that it might mess with the circuit, that it might actually increment it. It might go more than once. It might turn on and off a lot. It's not the most reliable thing. I've only seen it. I haven't seen it happen. I think it might have happened once in this video, but that should be why it skips.